Meaning of impersonation.
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 Impersonation. Impersonation refers to the act of pretending to be someone else with the intent to deceive others. It can be done in various ways, such as by assuming another person's identity online or in person, forging a signature, or imitating their behavior in speech patterns. Impersonation can have serious consequences, including identity theft, fraud, and damage to one's reputation. It is important to be vigilant and take measures to protect oneself from impersonation attempts, such as using strong passwords and being wary of unsolicited requests for personal information.